Well, just before the party started, the heavens opened, which is a bit ironic because this is a rain-making festival. The rockets are all about firing rockets into the clouds, the rain gods. Anyway, because Pop has a few sidelines, we've retreated into her karaoke parlour, where, thank goodness, nobody is actually doing karaoke, but people were well out of the rain and finding a place to eat and drink. We're waiting for the rain to finish before the band starts. Well, who knows what will happen. As some people might notice, there's some blurring as I move this camera. I've lost my third or fourth camera, so I'm using a cheap substitute. So here we are, in the popular karaoke bar, Phanom phrai, waiting for the rain to finish so the concert can begin. We've got 2 more days, 3 more days of partying. So, this is, I don't know whether this digital art, Al's vlogs, Al's shorts, but I know, yeah, I think I know where I am. I'm in Phanom phrai, Northeast Thailand, and it's June. And we're in the karaoke area of Pop's Empire, hiding from the rain.